Easterly, locally fresh over west, hills and coasts. That's it from us. Good night.
Good evening. Pre-Christmas snow can be expected by the end of the week, especially in central and northern areas. In fact, on Friday we can expect that snow from the Midlands and Wales in the south through northern England into southern Scotland and Northern Ireland in the north. And some of that snow is likely to be heavy, especially over the high ground. And we'll keep you updated on this forecast over the next few days. At the present time, we have a blanket of cloud over much of the country, with a thicker swathe out to the southwest, bringing in a band of rain. And that'll be edging into the southwest by dawn tomorrow, perhaps with the odd flake of snow over the higher ground. Elsewhere over England and Wales and Northern Ireland, we'll see overcast skies and really quite misty conditions too. But for Scotland, it's going to be clear and frosty, with temperatures down to -3°C, giving us icy stretches on many roads. Relatively mild down in the southwest, temperatures there around 3 to 6°C, and that due to that cloud and also rain brought about by this area of low pressure slowly nudging northeastwards through the next day or so. So it's going to be quite cloudy and dull, misty weather over southwestern England into South Wales, with some persistent rain turning to sleet and snow over the higher ground. For the rest of England and Wales and Northern Ireland, really quite dull and misty, and certainly that cloud will be thick enough to give us the odd spot of light rain or drizzle as it did today. On the other hand, for Scotland, a much brighter day, certainly some sunshine in southern and central areas, but a scattering of wintry showers from the word go for many northern and eastern areas. Perhaps a few of those showers with the brighter weather nudging into northern parts of England later on in the afternoon. For temperatures similar to Monday over many areas, around 5 to 8 in the south, but bitterly cold in the north. Temperatures around 1 to 3°C in a quite strong north wind. On Wednesday, that cold air pushing into many central and northern areas, with a relatively mild air trying to push in from the southwest, with this frontal system caught in the middle, and that'll be giving some rain in the far south, turning to sleet and snow over central and northern parts of England, with wintry showers in the north.
This is a lady quite unlike any other.
Britannia gets under your skin simply because she's very beautiful.
She's well travelled.
We've done 25 state visits on board her, so it's really rather a wrench to see her go.
Well kept.
The impression that Britannia makes when she comes in sets the tone for a visit. And
always well received. A lady with an extraordinary past and an uncertain future. Britannia, Wednesday, 9:30 on BBC One.
As controversial now as it was when it began, BBC Two peels away the layers of a peculiarly British institution in just over 10 minutes. The Page 3 story.
For king, for country!
It was a struggle for the new world. For the Indians, it was a fight for land. But for one man, it was a fight for much more.
Stay alive, no matter what occurs. I will find you.
He saved us. We were alive only because of him.
I'll have you beaten from this fort.
Daniel Day-Lewis stars in a network television premiere, The Last of the Mohicans. Friday, 9:30 on BBC One.
Cult fantasy film action now on BBC One as Christopher Lambert and Sean Connery battle through the ages in Highlander.